Did someone just toast their AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D? Here's the scoop. Recently, a Reddit user named Trump Poo Poo's Pants reported a burnout of his AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D and AM5 motherboard. His rig wouldn't start up, showing error code 00, and when he checked, both the CPU and motherboard were scorched. So what went wrong? Photos showed some bent CPU pins and a misaligned socket. This suggests the CPU wasn't correctly seated, leading to the burnout. CPUs are designed to fit one way, but even tiny misalignments can cause big issues. This isn't AMD's first rodeo. The older Ryzen 7 7800X3D had burnout issues too, but that was due to motherboard voltage fixed by a BIOS update. This time, it looks like user installation error. Worried about your Ryzen 7 9800X3D? Don't be. Just make sure to carefully align your CPU, latch it fully, and check those pins. A careful setup is key to a smooth, safe operation. Hit subscribe and visit our site for more tech updates.